Hey guys, it's Tristan from Manitoba Marketing here. Just making this quick little video to show you guys a couple tips and tricks to increase your guys' presence on Google. I find lots of times people just don't have the time to do any of this kind of stuff, but it's all really easy, and this video is purely educational. So if you guys feel like going out and doing this all on your own, by all means, have at her. But if you feel like I have something to offer at the end of the video, then please reach back out to me and we can talk about moving forward. So I'm going to cover three things in the video. First is going to be content, and then backlinks, and then citations. So to start with content, Google likes websites to have anywhere in the 1,500 to 2,000 word range on their homepage. The more the better. And that's just because Google sends these bots to crawl over your website looking for keywords, because Google is all about relevance and authority. And in terms of relevance, Google looks at your website looking for keywords, key phrases to link to people's search terms to make you guys show up in the rankings. And I've just got your website pulled up here, and you guys don't have any content on your website, um, which isn't a big deal to add in. You can just add in a couple blurbs about health, posture, any of that kind of stuff, just to make content and to make those keywords show up on your website. Um, and another thing you can do is you can actually save pictures as keywords. So I don't know if it'll let me save this picture here. Oh yeah, save image. And you can save pictures as keywords instead of this mumble jumble here. And Google will recognize that and add that as another keyword for your website. So that's content. The other thing is backlinks. So backlinks are any link that link back to your website from any other domain on Google. So this is a tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. I pay for it monthly. Now there are lots of backlink tools on Google that are free, but this is just something I use because it gives me everything I need to know about a website. And as we can see here, you guys got 7 referring domains that give you 13 backlinks. Now that isn't terrible, but there's some room for improvement. The only thing it's going to do is make you more popular on Google, because Google is basically a big popularity contest. The more backlinks you have, the more likely you're going to be to show up on the first page of the searches on Google. So just to compare here, this is Victoria Chiropractic Center. They've only got 12 referring domains, giving them 51 backlinks, and they're sitting at the #1 spot when you search up like Brandon Chiropractor. So these numbers are not very hard to beat at all to get you guys in that top spot. So that's backlinks. And then citations. So citations are your business name, address, and phone number listed in any directories on Google. And what citations are going to do is the more citations you have, the higher you're going to rank in the Google map pack. So that's where it shows all those businesses next to that little map that shows them where they are. Now, being high ranked on that is incredibly beneficial, because lots of times that's just where people will go naturally because it's the first thing that comes up when you search something on Google. So they're naturally just going to go and click on one of those map packs, go through the first like 5 businesses that show up, and they're going to pick one of those. So it's super beneficial to be in the top spot on those. And as we can see here, Victoria Chiropractic is sitting at 31 citations, and then you guys are sitting at 7. So again, just because they're at 31 doesn't mean you have to stop at 32 or 35. You can go for 50, you can go for as many as you want, and that's just going to guarantee that you're going to be the top spot in that Google Map pack, and it's gonna it's gonna get your business seen a lot easier because people are actually gonna go and click on it, go and visit your site, and see what you guys are like. Look at your reviews, all that kind of stuff. And with citations, all we have to do is look at what citations they have and enter your business in them. Lots of times it's just a matter of entering your business and making a little profile for it. Sometimes the odd one, there's a little sponsorship. You might have to pay a one-time thing or whatever. It doesn't necessarily matter, but the more citations, the higher you're going to rank on that Google Map hack. So those are the three things that I had for you. Again, super easy to do if you know what you're doing, I guess. Content, like I said, 1,500 to 2,000 words. It's just going to help Google look at those keywords that are on your website and make you guys relevant. And then backlinks. One thing I didn't mention before is that not all backlinks are made equal. And in saying that, that means like you can't have a backlink from like Boston Pizza or something because you guys are a chiropractic center, and Google will recognize that you guys aren't in the restaurant business, and they won't make that backlink very strong. It'll just be spammy, and it'll be pretty much pointless to put there. So you have to get backlinks that are relevant to your business, and then citations. Your business name, address, and phone number listed in any directory on Google, and that's going to help you rank in that Google Map pack. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you reach out to me.